If you ever have problems calculating an average from a set of data, here we have a solution using a Python script. So the first thing you need to do is import the packages, pandas, openpyxl, and so on. Give to Python the file location. Here we have. This is the location in my computer, and after that you order to pandas to read the information. You transform the data into a data frame and read it in the file path using the file path, and after that in the information we have the column department, and we are going to filter by sales. I'm going to show you here. So we are going to have just this fraction of the information, and after that we are going to calculate the average using a variable and the mean. This is average. This represents average. After that, we're going to print here the outcome, and we will see the outcome here. After that, we are going to write the outcome in the Excel file. So we are going to load some information in the cells D1 and D2 here. The header and the outcome. After that, we are going to save the changes in the boot and print here that the outcome or the result was gathered successfully. And at last, but not at least, we need to check if everything was right. So we open the file using the same path at the beginning. This one. So we are going to run the code to see what happens. So I'm going to delete this and save the book and close it. And after that, I'm going to run the code, and it will open the file. As you can see, these salaries are the average. We can check this 2,800, 2,800. It's the same.